If you're involved with any kind of litigation, whether it's a divorce, some kind of lawsuit against a business, you can help your lawyer by doing some of the legwork that they might otherwise do. You don't want to do legal work, but there's a lot of work that goes into that case that your lawyer's doing that is not necessarily required to be done by an attorney. Maybe it's research, maybe it's investigation. A little bit of your time spoon feeding this information to your lawyer can help save you on legal fees. Obviously, you'd rather spend an hour of your time than pay the lawyer doing $300 worth of an hour of their time. At the same instance, it can maybe speed up the case. Sometimes what holds up progress in a case is the attorney getting these things done to begin with. Remember, the attorney's main business is attorneying. It's being a lawyer. It's being a litigator. It's filing legal documents. It's not doing this kind of research that maybe isn't in their wheelhouse. Maybe they have to get their paralegal to do stuff and manage the internal workflow for these types of research. If you can do that for them, it maybe gets them to be able to file that next motion 3 days sooner, or maybe it gets them to negotiate with the other side a couple days earlier. Doing some of that legwork, and you can ask them what would help get done quicker. They probably don't want to do some of these tedious menial things that you could do yourself, or if it needs to be done by an outside company, let's say an investigator. Maybe if you hire the investigator and spend the time working with them, that's less time the attorney has to take managing a person or interacting with a person. Think about how much is on your last legal bill for a phone call. You talk to that attorney for 15 minutes, it might be $100, right? So if you talk to the investigator for 15 minutes, 2 or 3 times over the course of a week, that might save you $500 or $600 just in having the attorney have to spend their time. So ask your attorney what you can do to help, maybe save some legal fees and cut down your expense for the attorney, but also speed up the case to get it done quicker.